Sushi. Sushi is a traditional Japanese cuisine. It is delicious and nice-looking, with different combinations of rice vinegar and a variety of ingredients. Make hand-pressed sushi. Salmon. Let's make sushi rice balls. Let's press the sushi rice with hands. Wow, it looks so invited! Make a sushi roll. Take out a nori sheet. Put the cucumber on it. Crab stick. Tamagoyaki. Wow, the sushi roll is so delicious! The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Yeah, the sushi is ready! Awesome! Thanks for waiting. Here is your cuisine. Please. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Welcome. Come this way, please. Wagashi. Wagashi is a kind of Japanese dessert that looks pretty in a variety of styles. Let's start making wagashi. Let's make wrappers first. Add a spoonful of sweet bean paste and wrap it inside. Press it with hands. And then press it with a tool to turn it into the shape of a flower. wagashi looks so pretty! Let's make another wagashi. This one will look prettier. First, make it into little thin strips. And then add 4 spoonfuls of sweet bean paste. Finally, put the thin strips on the bean paste ball. Wow, this one looks pretty as well. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. Wow, the pretty wagashi is ready! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Let's cook for it. Enjoy! Udon noodles. Udon noodles are special Japanese noodles that are soft, nutritious, delicious, and easy to digest. Therefore, udon noodles serve as healthy food for kids. Boil noodles. The udon noodles look thick, yet taste soft. Make broth. Let's get the dried kelp ready first. Let's boil the dried bonito flakes. We can make delicious broth by using dried kelp and dried bonito flakes. Add the salt. Add the soy sauce. Add mirin. Mirin is a Japanese cooking wine. The guests can't wait any longer. Let's put it on a plate. fried shrimp. Shiitake. Shakuwa. Wow! This bowl of udon noodles must be delicious! Sorry to interrupt. Here is your cuisine. Enjoy. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.